Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda and today we're going to be talking about the Cosori Cool Touch electric kettle. Okay, Cosori sent me this to try and I've been using it for about 2 weeks now. When it's hot inside, it's warm on the outside but not hot. You can touch it, it doesn't burn you. That's one of the main features on this Cosori kettle. It has a push button on top and you can open it up. Inside, stainless steel, the spout is stainless, and the top is stainless. So you don't have to worry about a lot of germs and things, just easy wash, easy clean. That's a plus. The base, real simple, small, compact. It sits down on the base, and when you plug it in, you mash this button down, blue light comes on, 4 minutes, hot water. This will kick off in 4 minutes and you can use it for teas, coffees, instant coffee, hot chocolate, instant oatmeal, instant grits, instant soups, anything that you need hot water really quick, it works. I made a cup of hot chocolate the other day. I put water in my kettle, plugged it in, mashed the button, and the blue light came on, let it go for a little while, 4 minutes. I had hot water, poured it into my hot chocolate, added a few marshmallows and stuff to it, and hey, it was awesome. The other thing I did is I used it for canning. One of the uses for the Cosori kettle, the Cool Touch, it's warm here, but it's not hot. This is cool, I'm canning potatoes. And I had a couple of pots that I usually use to heat water. Well, they were dirty. So I sat this little one on here to heat water, and it's just now getting hot. But I heated water in this in 4 minutes. And all I have to do is pour it in here. And I've had enough water in this one kettle to do 5 quarts. So this will come in handy in heating water really quick, 4 minutes. You got hot water for your jars. So you can see when I'm canning, that came in handy. It saved me a lot of time. Plus it doesn't take as much electricity to heat this up as it does on the stove. So in 4 minutes, you can have enough hot water to do 5 jars. That's a plus. So the Cosori Original Cool Touch Electric Kettle has been a nice addition to Deep South Homestead. And if you would like one, there's going to be a link in the description below with a discount coupon. So thank you, Cosori, for the Cool Touch Electric Kettle. And thank you guys from Crazy Days.